Ndeewo, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyi and this is I Love Igbo channel, so you're very much welcome. Today we're going to learn Igbo word of the week. Yeah, so our Igbo word of the week is bia. Bia. I know with the way I'm doing my hand, you already know what I'm talking about. So bia, bia, bia means come, come, come. And so we're going to make some simple sentences with bia, some phrases, some questions, some commands with bia of a word, okay? So bia, bia is come, come. Bia eba, bia eba, come here. Bia eba, come here. Bia ngwa ngwa, bia ngwa ngwa, or bia ngwa, come fast. So some people say bia osiso, bia osiso, bia ngwa ngwa, come fast, fast fast, like come fast. Bia ngwa, bia osiso, bia ngwa, bia osiso. Bia rie nri, bia rie nri, come and eat. Bia rie nri, come and eat. Bia nwere, bia nwere, come and take. Bia nwere, come and take. Ị na-abịa? Ị na-abịa? Are you coming? Ị na-abịa? Are you coming? Bia ugbu a, come now. Bia ugbu a, come now. Bia ugbu a, come now. Nne m na nna m ga-abịa taa. Nne m na nna m ga-abịa taa. My mother and my father will come today, or my parents will come today. Nne m na nna m ga-abịa taa. Ha ga-abịa na mgbede. Ha ga-abịa na mgbede. They will come in the evening. Ha ga-abịa na mgbede. They will come in the evening. So that ha is mainly used for more than one person, right? So it can be used for two or more people. So ha, it can't be used for just one single person. No. Ha is for two or more people. Ha ga-abịa na mgbede. They will come in the evening. Enyi m nwanyị ga-abịa echi. Enyi m nwanyị ga-abịa echi. My female friend will come tomorrow. You know, enyi m is my friend. So nwanyị, remember I said in my previous video that nwanyị is a female gender in Igbo land, okay? So nwanyị, enyi m nwanyị, my female friend or my girlfriend, ga-abịa echi. Enyi m nwanyị ga-abịa echi. My girlfriend will come tomorrow. Ọ ga-abịa n'ehihie echi. Ọ ga-abịa n'ehihie echi. Ọ ga-abịa n'ehihie echi. So she will come tomorrow afternoon, right? So that or, now you can use it for one single person. Or already you know we are talking about a she, enyi m nwanyị, right? So now you know who I'm talking about. Ọ ga-abịa, ọ ga-abịa, ọ ga-abịa n'ehihie echi. She will come tomorrow afternoon. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope by now you can now say bia, 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 come, 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 come. Biko bia, please come. Biko bia, you can tell your child, come here, bieba, come here, bieba. You can tell your spouse, biko bia, please come, biko bia. You know one thing with this Igbo learning, right? Frequent practice. Frequent practice. Frequent practice makes perfect. When you practice frequently, believe me, there is no how, there is no way you will not learn Igbo language. It's just to practice frequently. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to give you some tips on what I think will help you in learning this language, because I've been getting a series of questions regarding this. How long does it take? What can I do? And all that. So for this video not to be so long, basically you know that I just want to talk about bia, right? Our Igbo word of the week. So in my next video, I'm going to explain to you what it will take you to learn Igbo language. Kodi ụbọchị ọzọ, aha m bụ Onyinyechi. Kodi later.